Alright, so today is the day that this schoolroom is finally organized enough for me to give you a tour. And I got only a little bit of sunlight left, so let's speed this up. So first is the everyday supplies that the kids use. This is our marker section. So we've got fat markers, some skinny markers, some skin color markers. These are specialty markers, dry erase. We have some other specialty like window markers and like neon looking chalk kind of markers here. Here we have our colored pencils, skin colored pencils. This is supposed to be the non-erasable section. These are the erasable. I have a huge stock here of just regular lead pencils, and then I think this is just erasers. Yeah, okay. Here we have all of the crayons, just a new set of 96. These are some specialty that I just ordered. And here we have just extra specialty crayons that are kind of run down, but it's essentially the same as these, but they're all in here. And then here I have all of the crayons for the littles that they can just, like, you know, break, and they're not organized and not super good quality. And then we have skin colored crayons here. I just got this air marker sprayer with some additional markers to use for that. And here are all my permanent markers. Here is our bookshelf. And here we have the specialty books that are left anyway. Pop-up books, and just collectible, really cute, that I don't want them to destroy. These are all pop-ups, and these are all ones that made music. We had way more, but they were destroyed. So I put them up unless the kids want to, they have to ask permission to use those. These are the more, these are like paper books and other specialty books I don't necessarily want the littles to terrorize. And then here's more of our academic and learning material books, body works, all these, we pull these out for specific curriculum studies. This is some mental health stuff that we're doing. And then here's some like just ginormous specialty books as well. And then here's where I put all the current curriculum that they're working on. So here we have our science, and then the girls' social studies folders. This is Vivian's current curriculum that she's doing right now. This is Violet's current curriculum that she's doing. These are their current sketchbooks. And some little, like, cute art, like a year of art, a year of nature, a year of writing. These are books that we're reading together, either for curriculum or just for like circle time. These books are reading for science. And this is all Jax's little curriculum. Down here, I put all of the baby books, because when I have my baby Valentina in here, she likes to, you know, get all the books and dump them out, so I just let her have at it and let her go through these books. This is another table. This is for the littles that I use. We use this table for the girls, but I use this one for Jax, my 4-year-old, and my 1-year-old, typically for crafts, or just an additional table. This is my little office area. This is my electronic box. We're missing a few devices here. We put our headphones and stuff in here as well. But this is my area where I work sometimes. This is our desktop. Here's our printer, obviously. Here's some stuff that I'm going to bind in my new binder, binding machine. And then here's my supplies. This is all paper, so colored paper, construction paper. I have some tracing paper here. This is all cardstock, copy paper. Some more cardstock, you know, slash like watercolor paper. Extra binders and some tissue paper. I'll get some more tissue paper here. Here's like this specialty paper, special shrink inks, some photo paper. This is my lamination paper I'm using. No. These are sheet protectors. Here I have all of my extra ink. I have ink for years, extra ink for years, and others like other supplies in here like staples and tape. And then office supplies. My laminator, some rings for my binding machine, extra folders, extra notebook paper, extra sketchbooks. So this is, you know, paper and office supplies. Here are some other everyday supplies we have for the girls. This is mostly like a paint rack, but I do have, you know, staplers, sharpeners, hole punch, our scissors. I need to put them somewhere else. And here's all my acrylic paints. You can't really see, but they are in somewhat rainbow order. And here's some other color stuff, like this is food dye that we don't eat, but we use for crafts. And here we've got some oil pastels and some little watercolor things. But then I got the glow up and bought these watercolor instead, and you can just dilute them. I haven't got to use them yet, but I have all the colors here. And I got some tempura, some washable paint back here, and also these tempura washable paints. So this is all my little paint rack here. Over here, I call this my stuba, and up there are all my fabrics, rose petals, and I can't open this, but I have like roses and other little fabric things for all of our cosplay needs. DIY project stuff, so like you can make your own little kite here. I have some extra shirts here for tie-dye. These are canvas totes that we can customize, so everything that's pretty much customizable. We have canvases here. We have some letters that we still need to paint. I got for all of the family initials, and we want to decorate them and hang them up. We haven't got to do that yet. And these are just like cool little projects and stuff that we can customize. We can paint these for the girls to get the little jewelry box. And there's like Katie, there's just like picture frames. I have some other canvases back there. That little, all kinds of different little things to customize. This here is just all the Christmas customizable stuff. So I break this out during the holidays. Oh, I can use some of these like stickers, like snowflakes and stuff. But this is all primarily holiday Christmas customizable stuff. Got some customizable rocks and headbands. These are extra school supplies. So I know I'm running low and I don't have any spare here. This is all stuff that we need. Like I'm missing, like I have straws, plastic straws. This is all for like sensory STEM type stuff. So, you know, cotton balls and craft cups and bags and salt and borax and vinegar. So we can have a lot of fun. And then our art endeavors. This is all my glue guns, glitter glue, tacky glue, glue sticks, tacky glue, regular glue, all the glues, glue dots. And then here's our specialty paper and other crafty stuff. So these are all of like our embellishments. So I have a bunch of like stickers and custom beautiful stickers, and some more like scrapbooking and gems and stuff. And I have some little spell pens. I have my palms. And let's see. I got some glitter back here. It's all just stuff to decorate. I have some gems, googly eyes. There's all stuff to decorate and embellish. I have some pipe cleaners here, some customized rollers. I have all these pipe cleaners here, some yarn, some bells. This is all the custom paper. So like foam paper, magnet paper. This is all foam. This is all felt. More foam paper, pretty glossy glittery paper. And then back here, my sewing machine with some my tie-dye kits, and also some fabric paints down there, and fabric color and coloring spray, fabric color stuff, portable sewing machine, and some extra paints back there. These are all the girls' old sketchbooks. The girls go through like a sketchbook a month, and they fill them up. And so I have a few, like the past like year or two, ton of drawings. I'm going to be more methodical with their work now. I make sure they try to put everything in sketchbooks. If not, I'm going to be binding all of these loose papers. Not these ones, but going forward, I'm going to be binding all of their work. Yeah, this is like the past 2 years of their artwork. These are extra books that I didn't have room for on the bookshelf, but they're all like chapter books and old books I had to buy for my son when he was in a private school. All his old curriculum books and stuff like that I thought maybe I might be able to use sometime, but I just haven't been able to go through it. But I need another bookshelf. These are all manipulatives, so Play-Doh and my Legos, and these are like Play-Doh stamps and all the other little Play-Doh cool tools up there. Can't really see here. The girls' little custom or like little sets, little specialty fluffy paper pads, and like these little sets that they grab and lose all the pieces too, but they can put new colored pencils and other materials in here and take them to go too. So there's other games, flashcards, mind games. We need to spiffy that one up. Here's all the dry erase stuff. We have a ton of dry erase books here for them. This is all just like stuff from like, you know, when it's like their free time and we want them to have manipulatives or different things to play with. So this is a little, has a chalkboard and a dry erase, and it's also a magnet. You know, here's a regular dry erase. This is a water board. This is a light up board. It lights up. It's so cool. Obviously this is a light red. Here we have some origami paper. These are the magnets and stuff that go to that other set. We have stamps, specialty paper, which I should put somewhere else. This is like scratch paper. You can like scratch it all pretty. Yeah. More stamps and more manipulatives to clean that with. Here are all their stickers. Stickers. These are all stickers. Sticker books. This is all their drawing section. So like how to draw comic books, write your own comic books. This is a whole set of how to draw right now. Then we get into their curriculum. Upcoming curriculum. This is going to be like their science curriculum, life skills, 12 months in the forest, adventure handbook. We used Odyssey last year for Violet. I really liked it. And this is also something that we didn't get to do yet, elementary science education. This is also something that I would like to do with them. First with my body. This is all stuff we're going to incorporate into their science this upcoming year. This is their Spanish curriculum, Talk Box Mom. I have the remaining boxes up there. And this is our history unboxed section here. I have a couple of kits that we haven't been able to open yet, and I have one of the first curriculums up there. This is just from the welcome box. This is next year's 180 days of social studies, so I'm going to be looking into Evan more in addition to this. But this is more open and closed. It doesn't require much parent participation, but this is for the girls next year in the fall. These are the club code. This is my English section. I have enough for them to finish like the next 2 years. This is Jacob's Ladder, which is reading comprehension. This is Michael Clay Thompson's set. This is all English phonics and writing sentences and grammar. This is all writing. This is more of the Michael Clay. And this is more reading. Dash into Learning Art is the set that we learned, that both of my girls have learned to read with. And here is, this is writing, handwriting. This is introduction to like cursive writing, so you can learn italicized writing. Spaghetti Divide. I have sets for the girls to go all the way to it's A through F or G. This is next year's math or current math that the girls are doing. So Violet's going to do 3rd grade. I'm waiting for Vivian's 1st grade to come in. And this is more handwriting for Vivian to do actually this year. It's handwriting without tears. This is all math. And this is all old curriculum. So this is just the books that they just finished. Vivian just finished KA, then Violet finished her 2A. This is all old curriculum. This is Violet's old science, and this is her old Blossom and Ruth. I keep all this old curriculum, and some of these actually haven't been touched, like this hasn't been touched, but I keep it just as a reference and to see if I want to continue with these books next year. Some of these I can use for my smaller kids. There's parts that are definitely untouched, so keeping it here, you know, as a spare. These are all cool sets. Cool DIYs that we got as gifts from people for the holidays. Shout out to Toby and Heidi. There are just so many cool activities and things that we can do with these, like sewing kids, headbands, like all these cool activities that they literally went to and bought like everything they could find for us. And so this is all their old schoolwork, so I'm gonna actually put this bin up in there. This is Violet's old schoolwork and artwork. And that is my closet, and my stuva, my office, and there's that, and our very dirty table, and that be it.